Alright, another quick video. Isn't that an improvement? It just looks so much better with those on it. I love Draglites. Anyhow, I needed to get motivated, so I went ahead and put them on. Stick a little bit. I think 295s are a little big for a Mustang, but look at it from here. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's better. On a positive note, I went ahead while I was jacking it up, the rear, I decided to test out the rear diff. And what do you know? It's a posi. Both wheels spun in the same direction. So that's a positive. That'll save me some money. So for now, the little 7.5 is gonna stay in. I may go ahead and pop open the cover though and change out the oil, the gear fluid at least, or the gear oil, and see exactly what kind of posi I have here. But I also want to see the ring gear in this car. Like I said, the guy I bought it from, he really didn't have a clue. I don't know if you can see, took out the back seat and cleaned out all the dead palmetto bugs, and I'm gonna get in there this weekend, maybe tomorrow if I got time, and scrub it out. And then I'm just waiting for the parts to come in. New rug, power steering, or manual steering rack. Yeah. Oh, and when I was putting on the front wheels, I noticed it's got brand new brakes. So, score. Later.